Hello everyone, I am Mehtasan from Green University of Bangladesh, bearing 8181006050. Today I am here to discuss about our microeconomics project of tree plantation, which we are assigned by our honorable course teacher Laila Firdousi Onti ma'am. For this project I have planted two trees. One is papaya tree, another one is eggplant tree. Friends, these two are the eggplant trees and this is the papaya tree. To discuss about these trees with an economical term, I select opportunity cost. Opportunity cost occurs when we select one alternative from two or more than two alternatives. It is one type of cost because we sacrifice some thing that we can enjoy if we select the another alternative. Opportunity cost help us to take decisions in our real life and business. As an example, I have two alternatives. One is do the group work and get the mark, and don't do the group work and relax at that time, which I would invest in this project work. I decided to do the group work because the group work gave me the number. The relaxing time is not very important to me, more than the numbers I can get by doing the group work. For that number I sacrifice the relaxing time, and this is my opportunity cost. This was all from me. Rest of my group member will discuss about their part now. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Lord. So today I am here to discuss about my tree plantation project, which was given by my honorable teacher Laila Firdousi ma'am. So I am Tumpa Bishwash here. My ID is 182006004. I am from GBS, and now I will discuss how my tree plantation project is related to the microeconomy subject. So let's see my project. See here, I planted two trees. One is fine Spanish and another one is pumpkin. So as I said, I produced two trees. That means I am producer here. So let's see how my tree plantation project is related to the microeconomic subject. And I am going to discuss about two topics. One is producer surplus and another one is consumer surplus. So let's see. As I said, I am a producer here, so I obviously have some expectation that I will get some money by selling my product. So I expected 20 taka by selling those two products in Bazaar. So that is my expectation. But when I go to the Bazaar to selling them, after bargaining, I got 25 taka. That means 5 taka I get extra. So that means that 5 taka is producer surplus. That means my surplus. So hope you understand what is producer surplus. And I said that another one is consumer surplus. You can see here my vine Spanish tree and pumpkin tree. I sell them in a little amount of loss. I mean, I expect 20 taka, but I sell them 15 taka. That means I get 5 taka loss. This 5 taka will be my loss, but this 5 taka will be my consumer surplus. So hope you understand what I trying to say in my tree plantation project. And hope you understand all. Thank you, ma'am, for your brilliant idea. Thank you all.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Shajjat Hussain. I'm from the Department of BBA of Green University, and my ID number is 193006045. So I'm gonna be showing you three of my planted trees, which number one is aloe vera trees, and the number two is hawk plum tree, and number three is guava trees. So let's begin. In economic, Goods are items that satisfy human want and provided utility. For example, to a consumer making a purchase of satisfying product, a good may be a consumable item that is useful to people but scarce in relation to its demand, so that human effort is required to obtain it. Tree plantation is good for our uh, health and everything. Planting tree is a good idea for us. Planting tree is a lifelong investment. How well this investment grows depends on the type of tree selected and the planting location. The care provided during planting and the follow up care after planting, getting your new tree up to a healthy start will help the tree mature to its full size and ensure it will provide environmental, economic, and social benefits throughout its lifetime. Tree plantation, adding tree to your landscape, is one of the most satisfying and dramatic changes you can make to your property. Having the tools to take to easier and to ensure successful watering and mulching condition will ensure that your investment is worth the effort. Planting of trees is important as they improve the life and fulfill essential needs of mankind. During photosynthesis, the tree break down food material and consume carbon dioxide. Tree cleans the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the environment and releasing oxygen. Thank you very much for giving your time to watch my video. That's all about my presentation. Assalamu alaikum.
Good morning everyone, my name is Snigdha Akhtar Moina, ID 193006046. My department is GBS. I am group from A. Today I will discuss about economic on tree plantation. I have planted 2 trees, one coryngia leaves and one pumpkin tree. Now I am showing my trees. Here is my pumpkin trees. My coryngia leaves is dead, so I plant some seeds again, and a small trees has become a coryngia leaves. Now we discuss those trees some economical term. I am talking about the market effect in market. Where there are commercial markets for wood or for other products, farmers may undertake a more intensive program management. Experience has shown that market demand can provide significant for farmers to take up tree growing. There can be a number of advantages in terms of resources allocated. Now I am talking about opportunity cost. Opportunity cost represent the potential benefit an individual investor or business misses out on when choosing one alternative over another. Buying and planting trees seedling for financial gain comes with an implied commitment, while the building you buy generates rent, income tax month, and the raw crop you sow generate income within a year. The forest plant returns cash periodically, with the first installment coming 10 or more years in the future. Economic is a social science concerned with the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Economics can generally be broken down into microeconomics, which concentration on the behavior of the economy as a whole, and microeconomics, which focus on individual people and business. For tree plantation, economic benefit is natural air purification. Planting tree creates jobs, current environment effort. We are planning to plant trees in which we have some advantage. Tree gives us oxygen that we need to breathe. Tree provide food, protection, and home for many birds. Reduce the effect of flood, purifying air, cooling down the streets. Now I finish my videos. Thanks for everyone.